Hi everyone. We're looking for popular sources in Academic Search Complete. Popular means magazines and newspapers. Some quick points before we search. Experiment with your terminology because popular sources may use more popular terminology. However, if that doesn't work and there's certain terms that you've been using that you're more comfortable with, you can also use that, but do experiment. Don't forget to limit to either magazines or newspapers. Results list icons will be possibly a little confusing. Once you've limited to magazines or newspapers, in the results list you'll see an icon that says periodicals and you'll see one that says news. Well, periodicals equals magazines and news equals newspapers. Experiment with different fields as you see fit for your topic and limit by publication date as you see fit for your topic. Experiment, play around to find relevant resources. I have already typed in my search terms in Academic Search Complete. I'm using more popular jargon in the concept for child, so you'll see kid showing up here as well as teen. And I have fat, which can be considered more popular. It just depends. Sometimes it's also a medical term as well. And then I have my normal advertise or marketing or commercial truncated. I have not limited to anything. So at this point, I've got 2,501 results. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to limit to full text. And now I have 1,727. And at this point, if I wanted to, I can either click magazines to go through the 261 that are there, or I can click newspapers. Or there's a third option, one that I like, and that is to go into Show More and do them both at the same time. However, if that's confusing for you and it's easier for you to parse them out singularly, then do that. I'm going to click Update. And now I'm down to 418 results. So if I look at this over here on publication date, it's rather large. It's from 84 to 2015, so like about 30 years worth. So I think I really just want to go with maybe the last 5 years or so. So I'm going to click 2011. Well, that's 4 years actually. I'm going to try that and press enter. And now I'm down to 90 results. So let's see what we've got in the results. And I'm looking through, and this looks interesting. Now, this is not limited to the United States. This is something going on with Australia. Junk food ad complaint system, a sham. But I think that's interesting because it does address how this problem is a sort of global issue. So I'm going to click here. And this particular item, let's see, it's saying it's a document type article. It's from the source Nutridate. The article discusses the opposition raised by the Obesity Policy Coalition against the advertising code expanded by the Australian Food and Grocery Council to include online marketing, claiming that the new code does not protect children from online junk food. So let's take a look at the full text. And let's see what we've got here. It's not a very long article, but that's okay. It looks like it has some facts and so forth that I can use that would be reasonably good to support my theory if I'm feeling that, in fact, advertising can be a problem. So it says a new code designed to protect children from online junk food advertising is a sham, according to public health groups who say 9 out of 10 complaints have been dismissed, and products such as Cocoa Pops and Paddle Pops are deemed healthy under the system. It says that the voluntary system's failure to crack down on marketing foods for products high in fat and sugar proves the industry cannot be trusted to police itself. So, I think this would be a good source for a periodical. Please look at my newspaper source video to see how I handled searching for a newspaper. The evaluation is roughly the same sort of thing. That's it for now. Talk to you later.